Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and today it's a little late, but still coming. Um, I'm going to show you what I bought for myself as well as what I got for um, New Year's. Because we don't celebrate Christmas in my family, but we give each other New Year's gifts. So I decided to buy myself a little something extra, and then turn around and got some little stuff from my family. I wasn't asking for too much because I have too much now. I barely have any room to turn around and breathe in my room as it is, so I didn't need a hell of a lot. So one of the things I got from my oldest brother and his family, which I didn't even know they made this, was the BB Glam body mist. It smells so good. And the thing is, for it to be a body mist, you would think that after maybe 30, 40 minutes, an hour at max, the scent would go away. Lasts all day until the next day. Literally, like I have to take a bath just to get the scent off. So that's how long it lasts. It is everlasting. So, from my youngest brother's girlfriend, she gave me a gift card to Applebees for $25, as well as this here Kitty Girl Pink, which is a impression of Katy Perry. This smells so freaking good, and this too lasts for hours. The scent does. I didn't think it would because it's the impression of and not the actual thing, but it smells so freaking good. Like, thank you, Jessie. I really enjoy it. Okay, so I went back to Miss A's and I picked up me some more false lashes. I'm trying to get off into the false lashes because right now I wear the fiber lashes, and so I'm trying to get myself to be diverse in how I do my eyelashes. So I picked up some of these. Picked up a black. I'm sorry. I picked up the Miss A's, which they call it AOA. This is the Wonder pencil for the lips, and this color is Bounce, and it goes with this here, which is also Bounce, and it's a purple color. So let me show it to you guys. Okay, do I have to open this? Well, goes to show you. Let's see here. I thought I had already opened it, but I guess I didn't. So let's get right on into it. Alright. See if that's good enough. It won't stick to me. Alright, so this is how the color looks. And one thing I would say about Miss A's lipstick is it does last a long while before you have to retouch it. It's been very far and in between that I've come across lipstick of theirs that was spurs, but usually it covers from just one quote. So anywho, so let's show how the pencil looks. Wow. Let's see here. Well, I thought I did a good job of opening most of all this stuff before I started filming, but I guess I didn't. Okay. So this is how the pencil looks. So as you see, they paired the colors very well to one another. So that's the Bounce lip pencil as well as the Bounce lipstick. So then I turned around and picked up this color correction, which is in orange, and it's usually for darker complexions, and is if you have dark like, how would you say it, not scars so much. Let's see here, let me just show it to you. Like the darker, if you have black marks in your face, it covers it very well. And I mean, this works really good. So that is what it looks like. You can see there. So then I turned around and picked up brown, what would you call it? Eyebrow pencil. So let me show you guys how that looks. That's the color of that. There you go. So I picked up some real rice here, which is an invitation of the Gucci ones that are around, and these were only like $1. So I got me a pair and my niece a pair. Now not everything on Miss A's is $1. They do have some higher price items, but aren't these just adorable? Aren't these cute? Look at that. And this is in green. I got my niece the ones in blue, and I took the one in green. I wanted to be closer to the Gucci ones as possible. Those are just too adorable. So then I turned around and I picked up this here. I ordered 2 by accident. I was only trying to get one for my youngest niece, my oldest brother's youngest daughter. So it's a makeup bag. Let me see here. Okay, there we go. So I truly am unrevealing some of this as we go along. And that's how it opens, like a Ziploc. Isn't that just cute for a little girl? So that's what that one looks like. So then I went ahead and got me some, they launched this one last month, and this is the Perfect BB cream. So I figured I would get me some of this, because sometimes I just don't want to put on concealer completely. I just want to put something over my skin to hide some of the black marks or the imperfections and be able to go. And as you see, this comes as close as possible to my skin complexion. So I'm liking that. Look forward to using it. So then I turn around and pick this here up. It's the LA colors, and they launched this one also. So this was I'm trying to suck up hard. So this was also a new launch for them. And this one, even if it's dark, let's see, did I tear it up? Oh, okay, there we go. So even if it's dark, I have foundation stuff that is lighter that can lighten it up. Yeah, that looks like it's gonna be, and it's so loose. So that's what that looks like. Let's see here. The color is this little black mark. Yeah, this is gonna be real dark on me. You see how the two colors are just dramatically different? That is like super dark, but it seems like it fits my skin complexion better. Yeah, it seems like it fits it better than the BB cream. So I might have to mix some of this with the BB cream and then call it a day. Let's see here. Yeah, that's what it looks like mixed together. Say wow. So even though I bought the orange correction in like a marker style, I still wanted to get it in like the correcting primer for the face, because I want to make sure that I am doing everything possible to hide the black marks, because I just don't like looking at some black marks, and I have some moles, and sometimes I just want to hide some of the moles, and sometimes I have some dark spots underneath my eyes because I don't sleep correctly due to the fibromyalgia. I be in so much pain, so I just wanted something to kind of soften it up, to hide it, you know, take it away. So I went 2 different ways with the with it. Let's see here. Let's open it and look at it. You guys see what I mean? And this looks watery. Alright. So as you can see the orangeness of it. And then I just cover that up with foundation. So after leaving, well, before I left her, I picked up these here, and they so I was able to find what it was that my son had bought me for my New Year's gift. And I don't know why I forgot it. I had put it up so I wouldn't forget it, and I still yet forgot it. So he ordered me from Morphe. And what he got me was, I'd seen this for a while, and I just wanted to try it. This here pouch for the thing stinks so bad. Yeah, it still smells. So these were the brushes that came into it. I think it, like, see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 brushes. They're pretty, but I really don't see them as being that effective. Like, more like to make your makeup table more beautiful with brushes, so you can say you have a lot of brushes, which, as you can see from there, I have a lot of brushes. So this here just adds more to it, but I'm gonna keep it in this pouch for as long as I can, since the pouch smell is not really affecting the brushes. So it was 10 brushes she got me, and these were sold out. Like, when I got mine, I think it was like a few left, and they sold out real quick. But I've since seen that one of them has been returned, probably because of the smell of the pouch. You can't deal with it, and you probably think it affects the brushes, but it don't. So it's not like you're putting germs, forget it. And we picked up the Dare to Create 39A. Let me open this bad boy for y'all. The Christmas holiday edition. And I got to say, I love it, love it, love it. Thank you, my little son. Well, my grown son. I love this little thing. I love this thing that he bought his mother. So there's 34 of these colors. And as you see, the names are written on the plastic. I wish they had just written them here, so it would be better. So let's do some swatches. So I'm going to take from, let's see, Evolve, which is the brown one. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, there we go. Let's get some more lights going on here. There we go. So that's what it looks like. So let's go with the green one, which is called Inspire. Alright, so let's try another. Let's try the red one, because red usually is hard to do. I'm really surprised that these things have such great pigment, because some of the Morphe palettes have been known not to have pigmentation in it. These here are doing just fine. So this is the gift that my son got me for New Year's. Dare to Create 39A. And the Morphe 10 set brush, which is blue and pink. Very pretty. Alright.